This page is an example of what you can do with the text editor in Schoology. You can use this on your assignments, you can use this on your discussion prompts, you can create pages, you can create quiz questions. The same editor is available throughout Schoology. Now you can see in this example, we have a left justified image right here. We have a lot of text. We have a link. And we also have a video. And so I'm going to introduce the text editor in this video and give you the information you need so you can start practicing. For this example, I'm going to go into my practice course in one of the units, and I'm going to go to Add Materials, and I'm going to add a page. This is going to show a good example. We need to put a title in, and the title is going to be Practice Page. And now you can see all of those icons across the top. To save us time, I'm going to go ahead and paste some text I've copied. So there it is. And you could see that if I wanted to make part of this, if I wanted to do some things, like if I wanted to highlight the first paragraph and I wanted to make it bold, I could do that. If you look at that, there it is. If I wanted to take this next paragraph and this part, and I wanted to make that a bulleted list, I could do that. I could change the color on the highlights if I wanted to make the background yellow. Oops, forgot to highlight something. Sorry about that. If I wanted to make the background orange, I could do that. And you can practice. You can, if I wanted to take this first paragraph and I wanted to do things like indent it in, or back, or if I wanted to center, if I wanted to right justify, all the similar things you're used to in word processing. The other thing you can do is you can highlight text like this. I'm highlighting the words YouTube, and then right here, link. If I click that, it's going to ask me where do I want that to go. And if I put in http youtube.com, I also will probably want to check to open this in a new window because I don't want to take them away from my Schoology page. And then I'll say insert. And so now when they click on that word, it's going to take them to YouTube. The last thing I'd like to show you, last couple things, sorry, is the insert content buttons. And that's this one right here. It's very important because you might not know the power of what's in there. And so if I click that, here's where you can add images or media. You can also add links there, symbols, equations, and so on. Next to that, you can see the button for adding a table. Way off on the right, this is where those of you that are HTML ninjas out here can switch so that you see the code, the web-based code that the browser's reading behind the page. And I'll just show you that. You can switch it back if you'd like. So this is your quick introduction to the text editor inside of many, many Schoology materials.